What's up, folks? This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. This video I'll be show how to merge to the branch class branch, which is I created last video, and merge to the masters, and also review the code. Procedure to review the code. Let's do it. Now you see my code we already post, which is class. So this class branch which is not merged to the masters, they both have separate code. How do you know? So now example, in check with local, in a class, when I have the class checkout, is it the class tag? That means this checkout, there has a class 2 over here. Am I right? So now I'm gonna check out the masters. So over here, local master, okay, clean, select and check out. Okay, is checked out masters. But now you see the basic, in the basic test only have test1 class, there is no test2 class. Okay, if I check out again class checkout, you see change here, this have test2. So now this is our local machine. Let's go take a look in the our GitHub. So now if you the GitHub have test2, which is the branch class. Okay, the branch. If I go master, they don't have it. So over here again the class have this created new class commit. If I say is master, okay, and if I go src, there is a test1, there is no test2 exist. Now if I go to the class, boom, test2 is here. That means two branch have different code. Now we have to merge it somehow. Before merge, there's a rules. You have to, someone has to review your code, or you have to review your code. Then make sure that you know your code is matching. It will not conflict with code. How you will do that? So now create a git demo over here, and it's the two branches. Click the branch, and you will see master, which is the default branch. And new branch, you have your branch and active branch. So I mean, you can click here anyone. So I suggest you click the first one, the new pull request. So you have to create a pull request. Click it. So before do something, you have to take a look. Of course, you should see here able to merge class to base masters. Okay, when it is green signal here, whatever you can do. So now you can put some comment here. Comment example, new class created only, please review. We want to review this code, yeah, review my code. I mean, you can write down whatever you want. I mean, this is them. So you're creating pull request. Before kill request, now you see over here right side option, the review. If you work for company, of course you're going to work with team member. And team member, there's rules always have for GitHub, or who should review your code. If you know someone, example, I am your team member. My name is Nadirujjaman QA, Nadirujjaman QA. So my Gmail. So if I can go review over here, I'm going to find out over here have G Chaudhary, the Shamars, all those my student. I will say Nadirujjaman because I am the owner. So now I'm going to put example G Chaudhary. So now I'm giving his as a reviewer. You can put as much you can even for team member for now. So now create a pull request. So when you pull request, he or the Chaudhary already get the email notification that someone send a pull request. When you review, example, think about I am the G Chaudhary and I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it. So if you want to open it this, so you have to take a look, show all reviews. G2 is required several, so he's not here. So what I can do, now what I can do, commit. Let's take a look at the commit. Create a new class. Let's take a look at changes. Okay, that's done. Review the changes. If you click here, review changes, and G Chaudhary approve it. Okay, because okay, if you want, looks good, and because I'm not a G Chaudhary, so I'm just reviewing myself. Submit, and now is look like it's ready to you will get approval. So okay, someone approved to you, G Chaudhary approved to your code. So now you can merge pull request, merge it. On the confirm merge, boom, pull request successfully merged. And if you want, you can delete the branch. Before delete the branch, guys, just don't delete right away. Okay, before the merge, take a look. Okay, so now if you go demo over here, now master branch, you will see class 2 is exist. Cool. Okay, but if you go in the local, is still in master checkout is still test 1. So 2 ways you can do that. You can fetch or you can pull. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pull. So I'm going to say BCS git pull. I'm pulling master, origin master to master. Okay, pull. Look like successfully item pull, and you will see test 2 is here. So now if I check out class, also have 2. If I check out masters, okay, also have 2. So look like we have same code. So one more things you can do for confusion, you are in the master code. Okay, so now master is the current, so click the class, merge into a current. For any confusion, for any conflict, I always use a merge into a current. So already up to date. You should see this message already because we already pulled it. So already now you want to delete your work from the GitHub, yeah, for another branch, because we don't want to create one more branch. When our is done, what you can do? So now what you can do? You can delete the branch. How? Go again, demo branches. It's already merged. Okay, open it. So it's already merged. Delete the branch. Boom, deleted. And so if your branch deleted, if you by mistake deleted, you can restore branch right away. So now branch is deleted, and you want to delete branch from here if you need. So keep it few time, few hours or a few days for confusion. So you want to delete the branch because already have the code to the masters. We no need to keep it same code. Yeah, if you have new work, and you can do that. So now that's it for today. This video I show how to create how to push to the how to the merge to the code to the branch to the master branch, and to review it. The next video will be soon. Thanks a lot, guys, and see you soon.